I'm Taylor Faye. Welcome to my channel. So this video, I'm actually going to be discussing biotin, and I'm surprised that after my whole 4 years of being on YouTube and talking about hair, I have not talked about biotin. Biotin is an excellent supplement to improve your skin, strengthen your nails, and of course, grow out your hair. But if you have been following me for a little bit, I did do a keratin treatment about 6-7 months ago, and I have recently been experiencing some shedding, so I have some biotin to help with combating that. So the vitamin that I got is from Vit Boost, and it is the extra strength B7 liquid biotin. This particular biotin is GMO free, gluten free, and allergen free, and it's made in the US. This one is actually a berry flavor, so it has a good taste to it, so it's easier to take every day. One of the reasons I got this particular biotin is because it has 10,000 mcgs, so it has the highest potency, so it's going to maximize absorption. And liquid is a lot better than taking capsules because the liquid is going to absorb in the blood vessels a lot easier and a lot quicker, and more of the biotin as opposed to a capsule, which takes a while before it actually dissolves into your blood vessels, and then you're only getting about half of what was initially in that capsule. Also, this particular biotin helps to stimulate the natural production of collagen, which helps to stimulate your hair follicles, which helps to grow and thicken the hair. Now right now I actually have my hair in a blow dry state, but I definitely have noticed a difference within the past few weeks of me using it. I've even gotten people come up to me and saying that my hair is looking fuller, which I'm very happy, because like I mentioned before, I've been experiencing some shedding after my keratin. I'm going to do a whole separate video about that. I've also noticed a difference in my skin. I want to have glowy, pretty skin during the summertime, so I feel like now is a great time to be taking biotin, so that way when the summer really hits and I'm wearing my strapless tops or spaghetti dresses, that my skin will be nice and glowy. Now for my nails, I haven't been able to evaluate how they've been doing because I had to do a nail shoot not too long ago, so they ended up cutting down all my nails and putting acrylics on top. But within the next month, I'll be able to give you guys a little bit more of an update on how my nails have been. Now, because this is the ultimate potency of biotin, you just have to make sure that you're being careful when you're taking other supplements like multivitamins and maybe some of the foods that you eat that have a lot of biotin, because you can give yourself a biotin overload, which can kind of do the opposite effect, especially with your skin. Just make sure that you're being careful with all the other things that you may be taking in your body that also may have biotin. And also make sure you drink plenty of water, because that is just an added bonus to help with the biotin if you are using it to help with growing out your hair. Now I do weekend my hair videos where I show you guys day to day how I'm maintaining and caring for my hair. Make sure to subscribe if you're interested in seeing the progress that I get with taking the biotin daily, especially this form of it, because again, this is the highest potency. So we'll see kind of like how quickly I really start to see results. Again, I've already like seen results after the past few weeks I've been taking it, but I really want to see like how much my hair can grow and how full it can get with taking 60 servings of this. So you don't have to refrigerate this, you just store it in room temperature. You fill the dropper halfway, put it under your tongue, and let it sit there for about 20 seconds before you swallow. That's going to help to really maximize the benefits you get from taking the biotin as opposed to just drinking it directly. That's what I've been doing every morning after I've eaten my breakfast and taken the rest of my vitamins for the day. So if you're interested in getting this biotin, I'll have it linked down below. Again, it has no preservatives, it's vegan, GMO free, allergen free, so it's great for a lot of different dietary restrictions. I've already noticed a huge difference in my hair growth and thickness just within the past few weeks, so I highly recommend this. And again, if you want to see the progress of my hair as I'm taking this day to day, make sure you subscribe and watch the weekend my hair videos, and we'll see the effect this actually has on my hair, skin, and nails within the next 60 days. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have taken biotin, let me know what your experience has been in the comment section below, and until the next video, ciao.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.